Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you want to be updated, you need to click the subscribe and also the notification button so that every time that I post a new video, you can easily access it into my account. So let's start. My previous video, I teach you guys how to maximize your max damage, right? So in every hero, for example, your character, your endo, your XO, the damage that you gonna blow to an enemy, it should be always max damage, guys. Always max damage. Yeah. So, in the beginning, some of the players were asking me, what if I'm a newbie? What if they are newbies? So, this is my advice, guys. If you were a newbie, of course, the first thing you need to do is to build gems, right? You need to build gems. Guys, this is my gems in my character. So, I'm going to change this one because it's still not the right decision to make. Eventually, I think in the future, this will be a good build because I have lot of mistakes also. This is the best one. This is the best build for us now, guys. The minus damage, the attack, and then the toughness. If you were a newbie, guys, you need to, because you have a first three stats, right? So the first thing you need to do is to put toughness in every slot, guys. Toughness is important. So if you were a newbie, toughness is very important, guys, because toughness is the vitamins of a character. And then for the offensive, guys, you need to focus on plus damage. For the plus damage, guys, because it's a true damage, if you can see here, the level 10 plus damage is 11,250. So that 11,250, guys, uh, that was the, you don't need the vitamins for it, or you don't need the supporting gems to reach the 11,250. Once you have 11,250, that is your true damage already. So plus damage is a true damage. Unlike for see, for a level 10 attack, you still need to support it with the deadly. You need to support it with the deadly. So for me, guys, personally, in the beginning, you always need to buy the plus damage and then the toughness gems every single day, guys. Every single day. You need to buy the plus damage and the toughness gem in every single day. And then to support your attack, guys, to support your max attack, you need to buy also deadly. So, what you gonna do, or how to do that, guys? If you are level 1, and then if you can buy a plus damage and toughness, you need to do that every day, guys. Uh, because it was the perfect combination. And moment, I'm going to show you some example, guys. So, let's do this one. Togs. So, I'm going to show you. So, as you can see, guys, I'm a level 179, guys, right? So, let's check first. Let's find a higher level to try with. Moment, guys, So, let's fight. So, this one is, I think he's only 8M. So, if you can see, guys, see, he cannot break my XO because of the high parry. And parry is also one of the important for XO. So let's find out. So he's only 8.2. So, and then let's check. So 13, guys. I cannot beat Sonic. Sonic is I can break his XO, but because we are gap level, because he is 13M and I'm 9M, the crest power will do the job. If you have a higher power, guys, the crest power will do the job to kill you. You know what I mean? So later on, I'm going to discuss that also. So this one is 8.5, but the level is 240. Guys, if you can see, his build, his lack of toughness, but I can see, I can one hit him in a single SS because I can break the parry. If you can break the parry of the XO, guys, you can kill everyone. Remember this. If you can break the parry of a XO, you can kill everyone. And they are easy to kill. So, you need to put in your mindset that you need to break first the XO to kill the Endo and the character. So, the XO is the defender, the Endo is the attacker, and then the character is the most precious one. So in your character, you should be a hybrid build, guys. You need to make it hybrid for your character. So later on, guys, I will going to show you my future plan stats, and I think this will be the effective way to build it. So this is, I think this one I cannot break his XO because he has a high parry. He got a high parry, guys. See, he got a high parry. So if the enemy has a got high parry, you just let him parry on your character. See, you just let him parry in your character until the XO will die. Then you kill it. So that is the trick also. Even in PvP battles, in talks, etc. or whatever. So remember, guys, uh what this one. Guys, remember, in your XO, always boost the parry. Always boost the parry of your XO. No matter what, boost the parry, guys. And second thing, you need to boost the minus damage. If you have a high immunity, guys, and then you have a small amount of minus damage, it's very useless. So you need to boost first the minus damage plus the immunity before the immunity. Because if you can read it, reduce damage when attack, absolute value. For example, my my character Endo and XO has a 3 million plus damage. I have a 3 million plus damage. And then I'm going to attack this XO with let's say 300,000 minus damage. So the 3 million minus 300,000 minus damage. So that will be the reduction of the 3 million plus damage, guys. And one more thing, I don't know, guys, if you catch up, because it's really hard to explain. Uh so you just need to remember, guys, that you need to focus. If you are a non VIP, guys, if you are non VIP players, or you're just a free player, if you just a free player, guys, you just focus on plus damage and toughness every single day. Focus on plus damage and toughness. Focus on plus damage and toughness. Why, guys? Why? Because the plus damage, it gives you true value damage. Because plus damage is a uh, direct adds damage, absolute value. So, if this plus damage is 1 million, automatically, guys, if I hit an enemy, it's 1 million plus the attack, max attack. So, you just add that one. You can do the math if you want. And then the toughness, guys, it's most the important build of the game, or the crit. It depends. The crit is a very rare vitamins, of course. So it's really hard to get it. It depends in your luck percentage. Like I said, isn't it? I told you before, guys, that we have offensive, defensive, vitamins, and luck percentage. So for the offensive, guys, go for plus damage. If you're not a spender, if you're not a spender player, guys, focus on plus damage. If you are a spender player, guys, focus on attack. This build, guys, if you can see, plus damage and attack, toughness, deadly, attack, toughness. This is not good build. This is not good build. It's better this way. The plus damage, change it into minus damage. Or, the attack, change it into minus damage. It depends from you. So, you just choose one offensive. So, we have two offensive, guys. Choose one offensive. It's either plus damage or attack damage. Because, if you choose the attack, you need the vitamins. So, what is the vitamins of attack? Deadly. You need the deadly to support the attack. And attack, you need to support it so that you can continuously blow the max attack damage. So this is my build. If you can see, this is my whole build, guys. I have very very high vitamins. See, you can see, guys, in my build, guys, I only have two high vitamins, and I'm always focusing in vitamins. Why? Because I'm a level holder, guys. I'm a level holder. Because if you can see, I'm a level 179, 9.8 million. So, let's say, what if my toughness is 1 million? What if, let's say, my toughness is 1 million? Guys, if my toughness is 1 million, I can break a lot of players. Because I think in our server, guys, we only have 160 parry, the highest, I think. Because the computation about the parry and the toughness, guys, is this one. So, 1 parry is 6 toughness. So, example, guys, you have a 1k parry, you need 6k toughness to break it. So, what does it means, guys? If you have like 1,000 parry, guys, so that you you are not parry to the enemy, you need the 6,000 toughness, guys. So this is what you need. So if you can see, guys, my character, my XO, look at my XO. It's just a normal XO, right? So it's not that strong. It's not that high attack. Critical is just normal. Toughness is just normal. Deadly, I don't even reach the max attack of the character of my deadly. And then my XO, for the XO priority, guys. If you're going to focus on XO, guys. So this is also wrong. This is also wrong, guys. The one in my XO, because like I told you, guys. See? Like I told you, before my immunity is 90%, I change my build because of the lucky percentage. So what are the lucky percentage, guys? These are the runes. It depends on the runes. So what you get, it depends on the runes what you get, of course. If you get a better stats in the runes, then you need to change it also. In the GW stats, of course, it depends what you get there. And then for the cards, it depends also. So guys, remember, if you are a new player, just focus on this thing, guys. Plus damage for the offensive, plus damage for the offensive. For the vitamins, guys, you need the toughness always. Don't remove the toughness in slot of your character. In every single slot, you need the toughness, guys. It really helps you. And then the second thing, the deadly. Why, guys? Because you need also to support the attack of a character. Because every level, guys, every level up, you can upgrade the attack. It's easy to upgrade the attack in every level. You see, every level of the hero, attack will increase, PDEF, MDEF will increase, HP also will increase, and all of course, because of the Silver Whistle, attack plus damage, toughness, deadly. So everything will increase, guys. But the thing is, in your character, what will increase if you upgrade it into, if you are level up, what will increase in your character? So just the see, just the attack, right? Just the attack. I think I'm not sure about the PDEF or MDEF because you can only get those in the GW. But it's not very important for me. For me, guys, it's not very important the PDEF and NDEF. I think the minus damage is the important because it's hard to let's try here, guys. Because for this one, I want this build, guys, this build. I'm going to show you. Let's try. Uh I don't know why they were using those things. See, I'm going to show you, guys. Guys, first of all, these minions, this monster, they have very high PDEF, MDEF, and minus damage. Because every time that you blow them, it's only 120. See? Are you not wondering what stats they do have? But they only have a 1000 HP. You see? They only have a 1000 HP, guys. But if you gonna use your skill to them, it's only 120. Let's kill this first. So, and then the next is the first kill. You see? It's just 30. Normal, it's 120. Because I'm reaching the, what do you call this? I reach the max attack, guys. That's why. I reach the max attack. See? That is my max attack. So it means, guys, it's always 120 because it's consistent, right? So let's try the third skill. So the third skill is also 120, guys. So it means I'm blowing them with my high damage. So 120, 120. But when it comes to them, the level 240 summoner, see, they're very easy to kill. And their HP is million, guys. If you can see, it's million. And then these little creatures, they only have 1000 HP, and then your damage is just so low. See, it was very consistent in 120. So what do you think, guys? What is their build? They have so much high PDEF and MDEF, or let's say minus damage. So there's only three things on them that is very high, not the HP, guys. So some players focusing in HP, and it's not worth it. Believe me, I also try the HP build. It's not really worth it. Just focus in your stats build. It's more better. HP will give you high power. See? You see the blow, guys? It's all critical, guys. And then those things just killed me. Let's just finish this one. So, never mind. We don't need to finish it also because we don't have any reward at all. We don't have any reward. So, let's make a recap, guys. So, I show you again. So, this is my build. So, guys, it's also important the PvP power because the higher PvP value, the stronger def attack. effective in PvP battles. So that is also important. So for the critical guys, like I said, if you have a high plus damage, it deals 1.5. See, 1.5 times the damage. It helps you a lot. So in my character build guys, I only have a 273 362 minus damage. But if I'm going to break all my plus damage and change it into minus damage, I think I can survive a lot of battles. Let's see. I think because we don't have a friend that is online, we wanna test for them, but they are not here. This lone blade, I think I can break his XO. Yeah. So just remember guys, the XO of the enemy is just the shield. Just the shield. So you don't need to focus on that much. You don't need to focus much on the XO. You just need a high parry and high minus damage. Just remember that. The immunity, guys, is just useless. I'm going to show you again why it's so useless. The immunity. Now, I'm going to show you the damage of this missile Sela. Going to show you guys. Remember that guys, 259712. 259712 guys. Remember the damage, 259712. 259712. Now, I'm going to break the immunity. Let's make it low. Let's make it low, guys. This is for the newbies, guys, so that you know what to do in the future. So, let's break it. Let's make it, let's break my immunity, guys. So, so what is my immunity now? So, it's 63%, guys. From 70 plus percent, it's 63%. So, let's try it again. Oh, I did not release her. So, wait. Guys, I'm not really good in English, but I'm trying, So, just try to understand if it's wrong, just comment down and I'll make it a new, I rephrase it, etc. So, 259712, right, guys? So, I'm going to show you again. See? It's 3. Wait. So, it's important also that you have high immunity. Let's try again. So, it's 333342. So, it means laki palang tulong ng immunity, no? So, it means it helps you a lot, the immunity, guys. So, that's good. Because in my previous experiment, guys, my immunity was 90%. In my previous, because this one, I can make, you see that, guys? It's all red, right? Red, 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 and then red, red, red. Because they are all, my immunity is already max. See? Red, red. And then this one is red, and then this one is red. So, it's around 90% immunity, I think. Yeah. And then it's just the same damage. But let's try again. So if it's really effective, the high immunity, then go for it, guys. See, 259712. So it means it helps you in your immunity. So that's good. At least we run a test. So, but for me, guys, you just need to minimize because if you're going to play PvP like that, of course, if you're battling with the bloodline always first blow the SS, right? So if you can manage to parry, that's already good for me, because you will not die. And then if you have Mamao build in your what do you call this, in your character, so you can break them. So guys, this is my build. So my build, guys, can break everyone, I think. Not everyone, but like I said, guys, less than 100k of parry, guys, I can crit on them. Less than 100k of parry. And then now the minimum parry that in every character is 120, like that. Let's say that was the minimum. If you can still critical on them, then that's good, guys. That's good. That's good. But in the future, guys, I'm still planning to raise up my toughness, and then my deadly, and then my minus damage. Also, of course, guys, my plus damage, I also break my plus damage. Before, my plus damage is around 180, like that. 180. But I break it. I don't know why, but because I'm trying a new experiment. But just keep watching and keep supporting my channel. In the future, guys, I'm going to change my build, that I'm going to focus in the deadly, toughness, minus damage, guys. That was my plan. I'm just waiting for an event. I'm going to change all my plus damage, guys, into a minus damage. So just keep watching, and then I'm going to update in everyone, each and every one of you guys, so will know. I think this is the best build, guys. The minus damage in your character than putting too offensive. Because if you can see, guys, some players are squishy in their character, if you can notice that one. But your character is the most strongest in the battle. Sometimes if you have only character HP, you can still one hit some enemies, right? So is there's a way that if your character HP, you can still survive a lot of damage? Of course, yes. Because if you're going to focus in minus damage and plus damage in your character, plus the plus damage percentage and immunity, damn, guys, I think you will be the most mamaw in the game. So let's recap, guys. The plus damage or the attack, just choose one of them. Choose one of them. Just try to choose plus damage, and then the other one is minus damage, and then toughness, guys. Toughness, and then same, minus damage, attack, plus damage, and then toughness, guys. Try that build, promise, believe me, you're going to be what do you call this, if ambush do that, we have see ambush for the warriors, guys. This is my advice for the warriors. If ambush will gonna do that, guys, the build that I'm telling here in my video, I think he can kill 1 versus 29. He can kill us all without dying, I think. Maybe, maybe that's what I'm thinking, guys, because he has so much plus. His build is so much damage. So he's a warrior, guys. If you're a melee player, you don't need so much damage, guys. Unless you are a summoner or a mage or like that. If you're a summoner, guys, because if you're a summoner, your skill is AOA. So, area of effect. So, in your reign, guys, for example, in your reign, you can manage 5 players inside in your reign, and then you have a super high plus damage, like that. You can savage them. But if you are like mini player like that, like me, I'm a bloodline. I don't need so much damage, guys. I only need vitamins to one hit enemy, because I can one hit enemy, guys. In every battle, I can one hit enemy. For last week, guys, I did not play the, what do you call this? I did not play this one, the Apocalypse. If you can see, uh, I don't have. I'm only the champion in the. I'm always champion in strongest team. I think you know that already because I'm a level holder, and I'm still keeping on level holding. Why? Because I need the siege stones, guys. If you have if you already in the king's division or higher division, it's very hard to get the siege stone. And for me, the most important thing how to build your character is the gems, guys. This is the most important thing to build. And then you need to prioritize the gem, of course. Even you are non VIP, guys. Even you are non a VIP. If you are managed to reach 600k toughness, you can already break 100k parry, guys. If you can manage that. For now, guys, you need to ask in your server what is the highest parry that they have. For example, they have a 150 parry. Of course, you need to multiply that times 6, guys. So that is the toughness that you need. So for me, I only break a lot of players below 120 parry, guys. 120 parry. I can break them. So in my server, if you are less than 120 parry, guys, you will die instantly. But in the crowd play, in the crowd gaming, for example, in the crowd gaming like Armageddon, etc., etc., what I need to do is to lock the top one and then pack, last hit it, and then that's it. I have the points already because I think I have a screenshot before that I'm already I reach a top one, I think. Yeah. So guys, so I need to tell you again, remind you again, if you're a newbie, if you're a newbie, guys, always buy the toughness. Always buy the toughness and always buy the plus damage. Always, guys. Every day. Every single day. If you only manage to buy one, prioritize the toughness, guys. Always prioritize the toughness, guys. In the higher division, if you are low toughness, guys, you're easily to die and then you cannot break anyone. The event's done, so I cannot show you anything. Uh, but I have previous video, guys. So that's it. I think for now, the lesson is all about toughness because this is the most important vitamins of the character. And then for my next video, I think I show you how to gain power because power is just easy to gain, guys. There's a lot of ways to gain power. And then like I said, like the like the minions, like the monster, guys. See, you just need to think what is the stats of that. So because the monster, guys, it doesn't change the stats, only the characters in the game. That's the only thing that change in the stats. So okay, guys, thank you. If you have any valiant reaction or you just want to ask something again, so this video, guys, I just focus into what is the priority of the game. So that is the toughness, guys. That's the most priority of the game. So I try to record some videos next time, guys, or live event so you can see also or you can watch. But I let's find out if there's someone is here. So nobody, so it's alright. So guys, thank you. Please subscribe into my channel, guys, and then click the notification button, of course. So for my next video, if my English is not that good, I'm very sorry, guys, because I'm trying. In Tagalog, it was very easy to explain, of course, but in English, it's very hard. But I also want to teach some players like Indonesian, etc. because they are chatting me sometimes. They want to see my build, and then I just told them that build it secret. But now I want to teach everyone so that the ST, I think, as strongest team is coming this week. So it will be more interesting, guys, if we can break everyone, right? So it depends only in their money. So how they become a super mamaw. Because in the ST team, guys, there's one group, I think the Korean group, they're very, very rich, and then they can spend a lot. But I think their build is not that good yet. If they want to watch my video or support me, of course. And maybe if they want me to make a GW12, then it will be more better. So thank you guys, thank you.